our souls tonight. We are losing this fight. Oh, help our souls tonight.
Alright, we're gonna track this, I guess, from start to finish without all the fucking pictures. I'm having a little homo picture collage. Might as well just do it all in a video. It's easier. So I guess, if you haven't heard already, or know me, the car, 88 Mustang. Obviously it's got a earlier, later front clip on it. Motor, LQ4, Gen 4 6-liter, stock bottom end, just got done putting rings and bearings in it, which I almost just kept it together long block like I bought it, but I'm glad I didn't. I'll show you why. Cam bearings, if you can see, whatever, there's normal wear. Look at them. Yeah. I don't know how well you can see it or not. Fucked hot. So needless to say, I'm glad I pulled it apart. I guess I can't say it's total junkyard now. I'll spin this bitch around. I'm working on the other side. There's shit everywhere because it just sheetrock the garage. Ceiling anyways. And of course. Shit. Anybody needs fucking fans, plug when it comes to fans, because I can never be satisfied. So, yeah. Square it up. So, recently, we just, probably kind of dark, the trick flow cam dampener kit, or whatever, so we can put the LS2 dampener, timing chain dampener on there. Can't remember where I put them gears. Sprocket. Anyways, so that's what I'm doing now. I gotta torque that shit down. Had to run to the old trusty Harbor Freight, the plug with them cheap ass sockets. Judge all you want, but they're lifetime warranty. So when I break it in half, like I do my 3/8 breaker bars all the time, take it back, no questions asked, make it a new. So I just used this a second ago. 16 foot-pounds for good measure. Bang. I don't remember what the dampener specs were. So, dandy, fucking dandy constructions. Wow. Okay. 15 to 18 foot-pounds, so I get to fucking pick. I like to be able to choose. Which, I don't know how. Does it seriously say? I strip the fuck out of that. Crush the plastic. Yeah. Okay, well I don't have aluminum spacers in there, because I didn't need them. So hopefully they don't fucking strip all Harbor Freight socket out here, because I did yesterday. Oh, yes, satisfying. What's that? Got that big one more time. Fucking golden. Well, look at the head sitting on there. Looks like I'm a lot farther than I am. But there's literally 2 bolts holding each head on. Because I got a hard on yesterday when I got them back from the machine shop. And I thought, what the hell? We'll just throw some shit on there to kind of get some motivation. So that's what I did. Oh, yeah. There we are. Doesn't that just make you want to work on shit? I mean, that's motivation there. Okay, we got. Well, I guess be a little less of an asshole and show you what we're working with. 88. When I got the car, it had a big block Ford in it. A lot of you are going to be like, why the fuck did you get rid of it and go LS? You're a homo. Well, I'll do what I want. So, chug one if you don't like it. But, I don't know if you can see it or not, the K member that's in it, they had to cut to make the headers fit on the big block, so there's no mounts on them. So that's got to be done. And then the kit I just got laying in here, stainless. I'll have to get back to you on who built it, but I'll let you know. Did a pretty damn good job on it. I'm impressed. That's got to hack off the sway bar mount and the old big block mounts they welded on. So that's got to be done yet before anything will fit. Edelbrock Super Victor. And then I'm not really a fan of the dash. It's kind of like 70-ish mullet drag racing type. Whatever, we won't get into that. So, turbo, the VSR, Bog Wiener knockoff. That's 480, I guess. 132 exhaust housing. All the other goods, air to water. Not sure what I think about that yet, but we're gonna try it out. 4-lug right now, but I have everything to go 5-lug. Besides for axles, I don't know if I'm going to build a 9-inch because obviously I have a shitload of third members for that thing. But it's got its blemishes. I mean, I don't like stickers, but there's a huge peeling ginger skin under that. But I mean, good subframe connector. The car is very clean underneath. I'll get under there some other day when it's on the lift. But yeah, that's pretty much a wrap. Stock suspension, but I have Team Z lowers, coilovers. So we'll be coming along pretty quick. Like I said, just your basic ass junkyard LS fanboy fucking 6-liter. Probably flipped around because I'm using a shitty camera. The woman's got the good one with her right now, so it'll be better in the future. Autocraft. You can see that, Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I was told about these pans from a buddy Pat of mine and Steven. Very nice quality pan. I love it because it's not cast aluminum, it's steel. So when I put a big fucking hole right here, when cylinder 5 lets go, I can just beat it back with a hammer and weld it shut. So we're good. So that's pretty much that. 317s stock. BTR 660 valve springs. BTR stage 2 turbo cam. Just went in. But anyways, slide you back up here. I'm waiting on head studs. Once I get head studs, I'll be able to put the heads on for good. And I need to get some bolts for the pan because as nice as this pan is, it did not come with gaskets or bolts. So, and the stock ones are a little too long in some areas to use this because it doesn't have that huge long bolt need in the back of the pan. Once I get all that shit, I need to get that badass, I forget who makes it now, I want to say ICT, something like that, makes that valley pan cover, valley cover. I got that, so once I get that in, put the intake on it, whatever, put the manifolds on it, stock truck manifold life. And then, front cover, I still have to drill a hole in it and tap it, weld in the bung for the turbo return. And I can pretty much put rear main on, rear cover on, throw it in the car. Once I throw it in the car, I basically have everything, besides for the radiator, to bolt all the turbo shit on, and I need to make a bracket that goes from the turbo, which sits right here, to the car because the thing weighs fucking 50 pounds by itself. I really don't want that dangling on some stainless. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll throw this timing chain and shit on. I gotta find the cam sprocket that I set down somewhere. Thought I wouldn't lose it. It's laying somewhere. I can tell you where I put it. Probably in a bag next to my coat stash. Oh. Son of a bitch. Also, I'm kind of in a debate right now. So if any of you have used ARP head studs on an LS engine, or ARP head studs in general, they have, what is it, the 8740 chrome moly head studs, or what do they call it, ARP 2000s or something. I guess tensile strength's a little better with the ARP 2000, but they're like $100 more. They're cheap. Well, not super cheap, but I have this and that to get ready for spring. So, if you have any experience with that and lifting a head on the regular 8740s, let me know in the comments, please. That'd be much helpful. Otherwise, I think I'm just gonna order the chrome moly head stud kit. And that should be adequate enough for my stock bottom end sheepdog boat anchor. And this is bugging the shit out of me. Where did I put that sprocket? Literally. How many places could I put a fucking cam sprocket? Anyways, I'll keep it nice, sweet, and short for you. We'll wrap it up for now. But once I find this cam sprocket, I mean, it's pretty dull shit putting a cam sprocket on, but whatever. We'll wait and show you some interesting shit. But I'm gonna call that good for here, and I'm gonna flip this place upside down to try to find this cam sprocket because my dumbass set it somewhere. But yeah, please hit that subscribe button. That would help out greatly. Definitely be more coming. I could have started it when we were putting the bottom end together, but I don't know. Same shit. Oil, rings, pound the pistons in. Actually, before you go, this tool, if I can find it, the greatest fucking ring compressor I have ever used. $30 from Summit for the 6 liter or whatever, 4-inch bore, backwards. But I've used them O'Reilly's, whatever part store, spring compressors, and just hate them. crack a ring, whatever, busted putting it in because it's a pain in the dick, throw it across the room. This thing, literally, put it on there, slides in, don't even need KY. Good shit. But thank you again, like, subscribe, we'll see you in a bit for the next video.